Sim 1, take 2?
Yeah, mate.
What is that?
Just take notice.
Thank you to the
That was a white dog, wasn't it?
Oh, sorry.
Shouldn't drink so much white dog.
Bit descriptive.
And it's only cordial as well.
Is that red cordial? It gives you
Finish.
energy.
Here
Bit
we
of
go.
sugar.
Right, so I got to follow Murray Denny. Okay.
Did Jimmy make it back?
I think he went
Any
off
back
early
in?
in that previous race.
He
Don't
did
go above
off early,
88,
yeah.
guys, out of the pits.
What are you doing, Lumpy?
He's on the left heavy. Just slowed down.
Bit of paint rubbing.
Whoa, Brandon!
Slow guys.
Oh my god, that was awesome.
Yeah, I accidentally smudged my glasses, so I was trying to clean them at the same time.
Who am I missing
All I
on the
heard
left
was.
here?
Mr. Anderson, I think.
Oh, is it Mr. Anderson?
Oh, Malcolm.
I think
There
I've
he
got
is.
some paint off my
Stay on the
rear arm.
track.
I like the gold on that car, Mr. Anderson.
Yeah,
It's
it looks
awesome.
good,
the
doesn't
jig.
it?
That's great.
Yeah,
Good man.
JPS.
But Dave does that. Dave does a great job.
Yeah, the chromish
Jimmy
gold
does it
is
as well.
awesome.
That's got great external sounds in that car.
All right, so I've got to let Paul cross the start-finish line first. Take note who is in front of you in the grid, boys, and make sure they cross the line first.
Yeah, so Mike, you need to drop back a bit. Maybe.
Drop back a
you
bit?
should be right. Oh, no,
Yeah.
it's okay. No, it's alright. It's all right.
Just hang off my door a bit. Yeah, about there. I'll hold about 110.
Oh my god, Ryan.
Yeah, what?
You okay, Ryan?
He's answering his phone.
Can you hit first gear?
I'm just red lighting it and then dropping the clutch.
Safety car's gone in.
Hang on, Brandon's supposed to be next to me. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
all right,
I'm supposed to be
it's all
behind White Dog. Yeah.
Go.
Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. Still there.
Oh
Hold your
god.
We're heading for disaster.
Hold your
Got a
line.
good
Oh, isn't it,
Three
uh,
wide.
Oh, it's this amazing part. This is awesome, though.
Right.
Like, this many cars.
Right lane, let's
On
go.
the outside, Murray.
Fucking hell.
Hold your line.
Oh, fuck.
Still there.
Come on,
Yeah,
come on,
I
Denny.
don't know what to do. Don't know.
Yeah,
Don't know where to go.
5 wide.
Nice one, Tommy. Good start. Sorry, I've got
You right, Mike? Holy shit, Mike!
Shit,
Oh,
lifting.
Oh, shit.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, fuck.
Yellow flag, sector 3.
Yes.
Fucking hell.
Left side.
I don't know how we got through there, Denny.
All I hear is lifting. Bang.
Clear all round.
P6.
Oh, my God.
Car right. Clear right.
I know how to get past 5 cars in one corner.
Let's do it.
Just to be quiet.
Green flag in sector 3.
We can get him back, JT. We got this.
Yeah.
Got the train going now.
You
Come on,
got Joey,
boys.
got Paul there, cool.
Come on, Tommy.
Staying low.
Right side. Hold your line. Still there.
We're on your inside, Lammy. On your inside.
Hold your
Inside,
line.
mate. Come on, move.
Clear
Other
right.
side.
P4.
You're on the left. 3 wide.
On your inside, Lammy.
Clear right. Car right.
Do some damage.
Clear right.
We need to get some heat into these brakes. Sector 3 is yellow. Awesome stuff, mate. Keep it going. V2. Fastest lap for Danny, 47.12.
Yeah, this is kind of tough.
Green flag Sector 3.
Twitching all over the Blaze boots for me.
Am I?
It's probably just my
Oh,
connection.
Tommy, you're glitching in my screen.
Yeah, Tommy, you might have some lag.
Tone, you want to lead or do you want to tag on?
Oh, I don't care either way. I might have to. You guys will be going way quicker than me. I can lead if you want me
So I
to.
can ease up a touch, yeah. And then we'll
Okay.
go quicker as
Just hit me on the straight, I'll brace.
Yeah.
drive past him.
The leader has just done a 47.00.
Right. They're three wide here, so that makes it difficult.
47.00.
Yes. Go low.
Follow you, JT, wherever you go,
I'm gonna
mate.
try low. Lifting. Oh shit. But now I saved that.
Oh,
no.
Underneath, Eddie Gordo.
I'm going to stay about a metre or two away
Come
from
on,
the
Paul,
yellow
come on,
line.
Paul.
I've got you, man. I got you.
We lost Danny, did we?
Yeah, we lost Danny.
Okay,
Oh,
I've
bugger.
still got a draft.
Again,
Oh, good.
Gordon and Murray.
We are coming up to a slow car, Tommy.
Because
my
steering wheel's going
Just let me know which way you go.
Tyres, why not?
I'll go high.
Hi.
Right, wide dog. I'm gonna give you a pretty big hit, bud.
Okay.
Oh shit! Dog, watch it.
Oh,
Sorry,
Tim.
Rod. Sorry, Tim. I don't know what happened.
I saw Tim spinning like crazy.
I'll stay down reasonably
Right.
low.
Clear right.
Yeah, we were like 3 in line, and then all of a sudden he just slowed down. Oh, James, what are you doing?
I slowed down.
Sector 3 is now clear.
I know your speed there, like
Another slow car. We're going to go outside.
Outside.
I think he lost behind me. Maybe he lost a bit of. I don't know.
yeah, it was
Yeah, I
like
think
he
I
lost
just got
track.
beside-
Well, stay on the inside, guys. Stay on the inside.
We're 16, 17, 18.
We're coming up to two slower cars. We're staying down low.
Don't
down
really
there,
pack on
down
machine.
low. Round the outside, round the outside.
Oh, shit.
Going around the outside.
I'll stay low.
Cheers, Rod.
We're catching up to another slower car.
Lammy's having a moment by himself.
Yeah, mate. When you get here, I'll get you. Don't worry.
No, all
Go
good.
high.
You're gonna go
Where
high.
are you going to go? We'll go low. We'll go low.
You go low. I'll go high. I'll be on the white line.
Last lap was a
Cheers, bud.
47.59.
Well held.
Car right. Clear right.
Okay, Tommy, this bastard's holding you up. You've got to find
Catching
a way
another
past.
slower car. Gonna go high.
Oh, the devil in front. He got chucked off as well.
Pretty early too. Next car's 16 seconds in front of me. And pulling away.
Well, you are the race control.
That lap was a
It's a lap 7 of 30.
Let me stay high.
Hi.
You're wasting time behind this guy. Get your elbows out and get round him.
Oh, let's pick Devil up. I'll get in behind you, Devon. Just lift.
Up behind. You don't want to go past.
Yeah. Oh, that's all right. We've lifted.
Catching a
You,
slower
you
car.
should get some speed now.
I'm pushing as
Gonna
hard
go
as I
low.
can.
Yeah, it'll start increasing now.
That's a new fastest lap for White, 46.52.
Nice lap.
You wanna go
Not
fast,
doing
Jack, or-
competition
You've got to find a way
in
past.
this race.
What's that?
Let's draft.
Can we not do yellow in this race? Can we just race all the way through?
No way.
You whiz, James.
You're out in front, James.
Fucking hell. You staying that high or what are we doing?
Sorry.
You little bump, Paul.
I'm concentrating, sorry.
Yeah.
We're
Go
catching
low, Tony. In the corner,
Catching
go
the
low.
group in front.
And come up a little bit.
Oh, sorry, Paul.
Oh, you're right,
Going
mate.
low. Going low.
You alright?
You're right, mate. We're going to need a helping hand to get up there, though, so
Yeah. Or do you want to go the lead or me?
totally up to you, mate. Whatever you want to do.
I'm here.
Pump and time.
They're a little bit all over the place, too, so...
Pause a mistake.
That's all, Paul. There's 4 of us here.
Oh,
Yeah,
Jesus.
I know, it's hard.
there's a... we're going
Fucking
low,
hard work
go
when you
low.
drop
There's an
in, yeah.
accident up high.
I'll
In the middle.
try and do it a bit less.
Holy shit.
Oh, only the 2 of us.
Holy
We're hard, no.
Yeah, you kind of go, yeah, when you go low, I don't see it. I've got no idea when you're going low.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, Paul. I'm on you again.
Pick up.
Righto. We're catching
And I'm
you,
trying to
Chris.
stay on your ass the whole way, including the corner. Otherwise, we're never going to...
With a car slow car up front, he's on the infield though.
We're going to give you a bump, Chris.
That's Tezza. Oh, some lost the drop because we've gained 4 spots.
Green flag, sector 3.
Coming up to you, Chris.
Shit. Oh,
Coming up on Murray Og, so I'll try and latch on.
Chris is off the pace, Paul.
3 cars up.
Sorry?
Alright, Tommy.
Chris seems to be off the pace.
Time.
Oh, there we go.
He's good. He just needs a tap.
Hey Murray, we're coming up on you, mate. You happy to lead?
Your last lap time
Yeah,
was
right.
47.63.
Going to try to push him most of the way, Chris.
We're coming up on James, lapped car.
Hopefully I'll do it cleanly, mate.
Which way are you going to let us pass, James?
I don't even see you yet.
Oh, we're right on you, mate. Okay, we're going to go
Okay.
left. We're going to go low. Stay high, James.
that's Mike Harper. Will you
Oh, is
stop
it?
getting those 2 fucking mixed up?
Oh,
Oh, shit! Oh, I didn't even know he was there. Hook on, devil.
Lock it onto you, Murray.
Are we slowing down a little bit, Tony? Or are we
Yeah, we're going to pick him up. Just a fraction.
Come on, Dev.
yeah, eventually.
Where's going to come on?
You should get a slingshot past Michael.
Yeah, he's on the back of you guys now.
Yep.
Oh, hang on.
Come on, pass him on.
You alright?
I
Yeah,
can't see anything.
I'm going.
Tony.
I've got
Right,
it.
you going through, Dev?
Oh, you
Yeah.
coming through?
yeah, sorry.
Hook on, Lemmy. At the back.
Yeah, when you get past, I'm stuck in no man's land.
Yeah, that's alright. Go up high and then swing down on us.
I'll be on the white line.
We're catching them, Tommy. Perfect.
Alright, passing Lammy now. Just give me a bump rock.
Right in behind there, Lammy.
Tappity tap tap.
Yep. Oh, fuck, it's hard, isn't it, when they do...
Next trip.
Okay, Tommy, stay close. Wait for him to make a mistake.
Are we like making any ground?
Not particularly. Oh yeah, a little bit. A little bit.
Murray, I'll try and tag onto the back of you guys.
Leaders are coming up to the group that Ryan's in.
No worries, fine.
Oh god, come on guys.
Terry, you want to on this train, mate?
Where leaders are coming up, we're gonna. What guys? Where are you guys gonna go?
Fuel levels are fine. That's good consistency.
Right in
Keep
front
it
of
up.
you.
I've been
Yeah,
there,
what
Rob.
ways?
Change your mind at the last
Same
second.
way you
At the
guys
moment,
go.
where are you going?
This is race control. This is race control. Competition caution
right.
time. Leaders,
Line.
please slow.
Clear right.
200 kilometers an hour. Keep left.
Slowing
You
down.
keep going. You keep
Rolling
going.
Murray.
Yeah,
Keep going,
dudes.
going,
Yeah,
but
mate.
slowing.
Go,
Get on
Murray.
that
Keep on
yourself.
going, mate. We're going to go.
Murray,
all the way
keep
back
going.
We're closing on him,
Keep
Devil.
going Fast, Murray, because I've got a whole lap too.
These
We're
ain't
closing on
leaders.
him.
Yeah, we are now.
Are these the leaders?
Oh,
They are the leaders.
I am the
Sorry,
leader.
Yeah, yeah, Boots is the
Drop
leader.
back behind them.
Tim, you gotta let yourself insane. Tim.
On your right.
Oh, not this.
Clear right.
All right, so
That's it.
Tim,
We're half a lap
Jamie
behind on the
Bond,
leaders.
Mike Harper,
What?
Stephen Lamb.
We're half a lap behind the leaders.
Oh, I thought you said we're a lap behind.
You go around, Bondi.
Okay, Tim, you're on the current lap now.
Bing Mike's.
That was funny, Danny.
Right, they're on the
All
corner
right,
at the moment.
Jamie,
the exit
you
of the
are on
corner,
your
so I'm
current
gonna start
lap,
left.
so you will fall in
Slow.
behind Tim.
Okay. Slowing now.
Yellow flag.
I think Mike's going around though.
Yeah, Mike and Lammy need to go around yet.
Yeah.
I just had a big
There's a
bang.
spun car on the far right. Spun car.
Oh my God! What the fuck are you doing?
Bangs going on.
No, stay there, Mike.
Alright. I got knocked out at 12 then.
All right, Lammy, you are
Who was
on the
hitting
current
the
lap,
place
so
then,
you will
Paul,
fall
Chris?
in behind
Hello.
Mr. Bond.
Waiting for you,
Last couple of
Div.
laps.
Roger that.
Slow on, guys. Where's Devil?
I'm here.
Right, are you?
Are we all on the...
All the lap guys are going
Mike-
around the outside,
Mike,
Rod.
go on the outside.
Get on the
and-
left-hand side of the track, please. Left-hand
Yep.
side of the track.
Mike Harper, you got.
I was still
you
leaving
got to
space
go
in
around
front
one
for
more
me,
time.
someone.
Okay, thanks.
There we go. You are now on the current. You will go in behind
Hey, I'm back to my
Lammy.
starting.
Okay,
Hey, JB.
I was
Yeah.
P6 before I spun out on the brakes, wasn't I?
Yeah,
Or
that was
P10.
me. Yeah. So I've got a gap in front. Whether you can get back or not, I don't know. I'm in 11
I'm in-
now.
Why did you spin out?
Yeah.
Under brakes.
Well, then you crashed.
Yeah, you can't go back.
I'm gonna come back.
No, the dude in front of me dropped his anchors hard in and I've had to lock up.
That's your
Oh,
fault.
okay.
All right. So
Thanks, Rod.
It's gentlemanly to let him in.
Harper,
Yeah, he's in.
Mike is just passing start finish. We're on the back stretch. So Mike, as soon as you catch the train, we'll be good to go.
Okay, thanks, Tommy.
Right, this is race control. Looks like we're good to go. Start racing at the end of this lap.
Boots.
So I can go whenever I want, right?
No, only on the last
Cold
500
tyres, we
meters
need to get
after
some
the
Yeah.
corner. Yeah.
Yeah. But I
from
get
the
to choose it,
of the
right?
corner. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ryan, drop back a bit. Get a
You
run.
You can choose to call it or not to. Up to you, Brandon.
I will call it. I will say when I'm going to go.
The gap to Andy behind is now 0.29.
Bunch it up a bit, boys.
This is the leader. 3,
Bunch
2,
it up, boys.
1, go.
Oh, that second gear is cool.
Oh!
Sorry, Gordon.
You're right.
A bit eager.
I'm alive.
Oh no, Brian's behind me.
Haha. That's right. Initiating.
Stay there, Div, stay there, stay there. That's it.
Initiating
That's the way.
speed Justin out. Alright, are we overtaking him or are we just hooking on?
Yeah, you can go whatever you want.
Good.
Whatever you
No, I'm
feel.
asking Ryan what we're doing.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we can go to. Oh,
We're catching them pretty quick, Tone.
You just let me know which way you're going.
I don't know because they're too wide up here.
Oh, we got a bunch of cars behind us coming through too.
You're losing time here, man.
I've got to
No,
be careful. I've got to.
Low.
Oh Jesus! Danny's going high and low. Whoops,
Yeah.
somebody's low. Whoa! Yeah, you can't just go high.
Hey, Andy, go ahead and give us bumps on the straights, bud. There you go.
Sandwich.
That's the speed we need.
Yep, that's what we needed right there.
Sorry, Chris. I thought you were a little bit further away from the car in front. Sorry, mate.
Oh shit,
Car
sorry
left.
boots.
Hello, go, 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 go.
Oh, you can't turn down on me, James. Sorry.
You're in the lead.
Stay late, hang.
Oh, someone behind me? Okay. Who's behind me? Justin.
I'm
All right,
trying to
Bryce. Here we go.
On
Sorry,
the
mate.
outside, Andy.
Oh, 3 wide.
3 wide.
Is that Tommy?
Oh, nice move, I thought.
Bryson.
Let's chase them, boys.
Oh,
Oh
Here we
no!
go, here we go.
Another one.
Let's chase them. They've had a crash. There's JT.
no.
On your left.
Oh, stay high.
Hold your line.
Hey, that was a spinner.
Hold your line.
Come in, spinner.
Oh,
Hold your line.
high.
Still there.
Alright. Flag in sector 3.
Still there. Hold your line.
Well, that sucks.
Sorry, Justin, I don't know if that was
Still
me or...
there.
I don't know.
Still there. Hold your line.
Well stayed in there,
You're on the
Justin.
right. 3 wide.
Yep.
On
All
your
right,
left.
Brandon.
Clear left.
You're going too slow.
Yep.
Left side.
You're on
on
the
the
back,
right. 3
sunshine.
wide.
No, I'm going to be on the very back. That's
Right,
frustrating. I was
Justin,
leading the
Ryan, I'm
whole
coming
fucking
down
thing.
low. I'm coming down a little bit lower, all right? I'll try and hold it here.
Fuck me.
Yeah, luck of the draw.
We both got cleaned up,
You on,
Brandon.
Rod?
Was that Oggy? Are you on, buddy?
B2.
Yeah, sort of.
Car left.
You get hung out to dry sometimes,
Still
that's it.
there.
Ryan,
Wait for you, Paul, and
It's
then
four
you
in
can-
front, but they're all over
Hold
the
your
place.
line.
They're not.
Sorry, mate.
Hold your
I'll
line.
wait for you, then we can get a bit more speed.
Righto.
Still there.
We're going high, guys.
Alright,
Hold
hi
your
guys.
line. Clear left.
Come on, Tommy. Good stuff. Keep it coming.
Oh!
Pushing Jamie, Danny, so just.
I was trying to help Stephen get going there.
All good. That's what we've
No,
got to
don't
do.
push me because I'm pushing Jamie.
Okay.
Inside is the fastest lane, guys. Let's do that.
What I tried to do, and I got hung out to dry.
Hold on, look.
Left side. You're in the middle.
You gotta be the pusher, or do you want me
Still
to
there.
Oh, shit.
Hold your
You go in
line.
front, I'll give you the
Crash at
push.
front.
be? Righto, mate.
Right side. Clear all round.
The bodywork's
On
in
the
pretty bad
inside.
shape.
Which way you going, Tim?
Push, Lemmy.
Go past, Mike.
Justin, we've done this pretty well, I reckon, so far.
First to 7th over 2 corners.
I went
So
from
easy.
wherever I was to 16th. I was like second or third.
I'm 18th first.
All right, comes the push, mate.
You're right, mate.
The car in front is Stefan.
There was a bit of a bump on the
behind you,
Tommy
Danny.
and it took us out. Took Tommy out and us out.
Get on me, boys.
Gordon, I am coming up behind you. We are going to work
Oh,
together.
okay.
Push here, James.
Didn't realise it was a 30 lapper. Okay.
You push as much as you like,
Thumbs up,
JT.
push. Oh, too close to the corner now.
Gordon, go on the inside whenever you can. We'll do our own thing.
Yeah, thanks for the reminder, Tony.
That's
mate.
risky at the moment, but I'm happy to do that.
All right.
Let's go.
Andy is reeling you in. The gap's now 0.18. P20. Come on, mate. We
Yep,
really
go
need to
for it,
get
buddy.
down now.
Oh dear. Oops.
Stay about a metre off the line, down low, Paul.
Stay out.
Alright.
Push it.
Oh, reckon
Stay up
ahead,
high,
reckon
Bungie.
ahead. Stay
Up,
up. High, Andy.
A metre off the yellow line. I should be more specific,
Incident
not the
in
white
sector 3.
one.
Sector 3 is yellow. Sector 3 is clear.
Keep
So,
the right
all
one
the
on
way
your
around
left.
on the straight as well, or?
In the straight, I say fairly low, like 3 metres off the yellow line, but around the corners,
Cars.
I'm right down low.
Yeah, rightio. No worries.
Shortest distance.
P17.
Righto. It's 10 forward, buddy.
Don't know what happened there, Lemmy.
Oh, he's got side drafty, that's all. Just the slightest little rubbing.
Yeah.
Go on. Right.
That's it,
Right
Dub.
around the outside, lads.
Whoa.
Yeah, backed off.
Back on the
Do all
inside.
work. Focus on
Little
your
bump, Tim.
exits.
Yeah, man.
I think Rod's close enough to be with us too.
We're just up
three of us
high.
together will work
Get
nice.
Okay, mate.
Getting loose.
Yeah, I was gonna say, fucking hell. Mike wants to jump on when he can.
If you can jump on the back, he's welcome.
Trying to turn it smooth as I can.
Go low.
Low.
Go low, go low.
I'm going to ease off a bit, Rod.
Thanks for that.
Going low.
Whoop.
Nice.
Go back in a little bit.
Right. Comes along straight, guys. Let's hook in.
We're catching those guys in front of you.
Sector 1 is 0.39 off the pace.
You gotta hit us, James.
Sector 2. Sector 3.
Without you, we're going nowhere.
Yeah, I don't understand that.
He's trying to pass us.
Yeah, go figure.
I keep getting a goddamn run on you.
Okay, Tommy.
Yeah, and that's when you smack us.
Stick
Of
to your
course
line,
you do.
those exits.
You
Gotta work
won't
as a
hold it
team.
when you go out in the open, though.
Go high.
Little break
Hi.
there. Come on.
Uh-oh.
That did not sound
Yellow
good.
flag sector 3.
No.
Let's go. 17th place.
Awesome.
For me, it's not.
But everyone did well to get through there. I thought that was excellent.
Yeah, it was like 8
Come on,
minutes
Tim.
side by side.
Dog of
Get off the
whiteness.
fence.
I'm coming up on you, mate.
Sector 3
3
is clear.
versus 2.
Green flag.
On your left. Clear left.
Yeah, I've got to go low.
Sorry, I'm stuck in the wall.
Stay there, Michael.
Yeah,
Go
I'm
high.
stuck
One
in
or the
wall.
other.
I'll stay here.
You're going to stay there. I'm going to take some. We're going to go a little bit high, Justin. I'm just trying to grab some speed off him.
2
And we're
laps
going a
left.
little bit high.
15th place.
Copy.
Got a few Ks off him. Come back down.
We'll go high.
Don't be distracted. Defend your position.
Oh, sorry, JT.
All good.
Oh, a little low.
Last
Great
lap.
drive.
Oh,
Great drive, Brycey.
Ryan, we're coming up to you.
Come on, come on.
Still there.
Right,
you-
we're going
is
to
this
get
for
past
position?
him, huh?
This is for position.
Yeah, let's get him.
Flag. Caution.
We're going the outside.
Oh, Tommy.
Lucky Tommy.
They're trying to
Yeah.
catch us, the buggers.
I know.
Got you.
Sorry, mate, I went below the
Last
line
lap.
too and got
Oh,
off.
no.
19.
I was just drifting out towards
Yeah.
you.
Oh, I tried to go up your inside, Gordon.
Oh, fuck it! Oh, Roxy, what a drive.
Go low.
Track on track.
I
Stay low.
thought I had one more lap.
No. Wow, what was that? 18th the first, you
nice.
fucking beauty.
That was a close finish.
24th to second, Amy.
Oh, nice
wow.
job, mate.
First for 20 laps, finish 5th.
Yeah,
Still
Brycey
racing.
drove beautifully.
Well done.
Well done, guys.
Thanks, Dave. Another great night, bro.
Unlucky, Paul.
It's
Oh,
fuck it.
Cheers, JT.
Oh,
That's
it's all
getting
luck,
up
isn't
that
it?
high. Cheers,
Good
man.
fun.
Just it's making the right decisions.
I
and
think it's
after
the luck
play.
of who you're around as well.
Oh yeah, that too. But
Driving.
and making the right decisions. And half the time
Or a
it's
lucky
lucky.
decision.
How's that tone, 0.071 between the three of us.
On your
A
right.
beautiful drive.
Nice.
See, what was it? Me, Danny, and Rod. We probably were like that, the three of us as well.
That was good fun.
awesome.
Devil.
Good stuff,
That
guys.
was great fun. Wow.
Good
Yeah,
fun,
way to go.
Dev.
Tony,
Tony,
Ricey,
Justin
White
Rice.
Dog.
Well
Way
done,
to
Tony.
go.
Ricey.
Well done, Tony,
White Dog.
Justin,
Chris,
Stephen.
well done.
Nice comeback,
Brandon.
Luke.
JB. Dane.
Tony,
Thanks,
Justin,
guys.
Stephen.
Yeah, Chris as well up there. And Brent.
Thanks, Brown Dog.
Yeah.
Well done.
Great night,
bits,
guys. Thank you.
Justin and White Dog.
Yeah, that was great fun.
Justin,
Thanks, lads.
22 spots. What a
Something
job.
different for sure.
Tony, Justin, White Dog, excellent, guys.
Yeah,
Thank
sorry,
you, work,
Gordon. I was
Devil.
trying to take advantage of that last corner with Ryan and.
It's all right, Brendan.
front of you,
It's been a bit of a game of luck, this one, I think, but it's been good fun.
Oh, mate, you were on it.
there is a
Man. You were the
Yeah, it's
easiest
been
person
good
to follow
fun.
for me.
Yeah, that's the way to do it. Follow the yellow line so the other person knows where you're going to be.
Yep.
Except the other person can't see the yellow
Enjoyed
line.
that, lads.
Well, I can't. Not when you're up someone's clacker.
Ah, that was awesome fun.
Oh, thank God.
Thanks, everyone.
Race